Brent, good morning. Voyageur Pharmaceuticals is up 58% over the last year, and you just put out an amazing update for your shareholders. How about we start there?
Sure. So we're moving forward in 2025 after a very successful 2024. We hit a lot of our milestones in 2024. One was getting all our formulations for our barium contrast completed. And the big news was pending potential partnership with a big pharma company that's looking at moving forward with us on our contrast development. So just a summary for your listeners. Voyageur is all about sourcing our own minerals that are used to make radiology drugs. So barium for barium contrast, iodine for iodine contrast, and gadolinium is used for MRI, which is in big demand. And we have a new molecule that we are looking at displacing gadolinium with. So we're all about vertical integration. Creating these contrast drugs from the earth to the bottle is our motto. And what that does is allow us to create these drugs at the lowest cost point in the industry. And North America is dependent on imports. So we're going to be the first domestically produced radiology drug company that is moving forward in a market that's valued at over $6 billion a year.
So let's go back to the letter of intent, okay, with a multinational contrast media company is what I read in your news release. What does that actually mean for shareholders?
Well, we can't talk too much about it till we advance it further. We're expecting to be able to announce more information about this in the next 60 to 90 days. And what it means is, number one, having a big pharma partner coming in with you really gives credibility to everything that we're doing. And it's going to allow us to finance all our operations. And with radiology drugs, which are used to diagnose disease, we have rising chronic disease, aging population, and X-ray CT scanners and MRI scanners are getting deployed at a high rate. So the demand just keeps driving. GE Healthcare says this market's going to double by 2032. And we're in the right space at the right time with all the geopolitical issues that are going on around the world. It's time for North America to start producing our own drugs.
Something investors may find intriguing is that you also announced your first sales contract establishing a foothold in the market. Can you give us some updates on that?
Sure. So we're reaching out to markets that accept Health Canada licensed products. So we have 5 products that are Health Canada licensed. And so we're looking at sales internationally as well as in Canada. And we secured our first contract with a company that sells in Latin America. And it's a $2.4 million or $2.6 million Canadian contract for one of our products called SmoothX. And as we advance, we're moving forward with the FDA. And once we get approvals for our products through the FDA in the US, we're expected to launch sales in 2026 into the US market, which is a very large market for us to move forward in.
I would recommend that you go to the Voyageur Pharmaceutical website because you have a very sophisticated suite of products. I mean, they're ready to go, they're packaged, and you've already got deals in place. Would you like to talk about your 5 products that we were reading about earlier today? Thank you.
Yeah, they're all for oral X-rays, fluoroscopy, and CT scans. Each product has a different use throughout the gastrointestinal tract. And what it does, it highlights tissues, allows doctors to see any abnormalities within the tissues, like a tumor, for example. And so in diagnostic imaging, you need drugs to highlight the scans. And our products the barium line of products are designed for the gastrointestinal tract. And as we build this company out, the core of any radiology drug company is having a full suite of products of barium, iodine. Iodine's used for CT, and gadolinium or our vanadium fullerene drug is going to be used for MRI. So we're building a fully encompassed radiology drug company where we are vertically integrated. We'll be the only vertically integrated company in this space, which is why we think we are the company that's going to be very disruptive as we move forward.
And for those of you interested in Voyageur Pharmaceuticals, please go to the website listed below. Thank you, Brent.